Hello and welcome to a new video. This time I want to talk about a new function for our Excel function series, or two functions specifically, about HSTACK and VSTACK. Both are functions to append arrays, and H horizontal and V vertical. So the name is basically what they're doing, and I will show you this in an instant. So for example, we want to VStack those arrays. So I basically take those arrays and they're stacked together as a single array, and I can then work with this singular array and also call this single array. Yes, this will also work horizontally, but I need to have there more space. So HStack, and then it's stacked horizontally. Now, if both arrays do not have the same size, then you have a short problem or small problem, because it will be filled up to the size of the largest array, and then you have there hashtag NA, which is like an error code. But yeah, you need to work with it either with using if error and then something to fill, or do something else. Yeah, but it's basically a super simple method. I also use it as a replacement for the regular array stuff, because those arrays are language dependent, and therefore to immediately see what I wanted to stack or what is stacked there, I'm also using V and H to show you directly what is going on. Yeah, that was basically everything. Super crisp and simple, but super useful functions if you really work with arrays and model with arrays and so on. So thank you for your attention. Bye.